What makes something a taboo? Have you ever wondered why certain actions or behaviors are considered off-limits in some cultures? What makes something a taboo? Let's break it down. Taboos are prohibitions or restrictions on specific behaviors, actions, or objects that a society deems forbidden or unacceptable. These prohibitions often stem from cultural, religious, or supernatural beliefs. They play a significant role in maintaining social order and reinforcing cultural values. First, it is essential to understand that taboos are not universal. They vary widely across different cultures. What may be taboo in one society could be perfectly acceptable in another. For example, in some conservative cultures, certain foods or practices related to sexuality are avoided, while in more liberal societies, these same behaviors might be embraced. This variation highlights the concept of cultural relativity, which emphasizes that beliefs and practices are shaped by the unique values of each community. Another aspect of taboos is their connection to supernatural beliefs. In many cultures, certain actions are avoided due to the belief that they could bring about negative consequences. These actions may be associated with sacred or dangerous powers. For instance, some communities may avoid specific rituals or foods because they believe doing so could anger spirits or disrupt harmony. Taboos also serve as a form of social control. They help define acceptable behaviors within a society and establish consequences for those who violate these norms. This social control mechanism is vital for maintaining order and cohesion among community members. When someone breaks a taboo, they may face social sanctions, such as ostracism or other forms of punishment, which reinforces the importance of adhering to these cultural norms. There are various types of taboos, including those related to food, sexuality, and rituals. For example, in Islamic cultures, the consumption of pork is strictly forbidden, while in Hindu cultures, eating beef is taboo due to religious beliefs. These dietary restrictions illustrate how taboos can shape daily life and influence individual choices. As societies evolve, so do their taboos. They can change over time as cultural values shift. People often learn what is considered taboo by observing the actions of others within their community. These learned behaviors signal what is acceptable and what should be avoided. In the realm of cognitive anthropology, taboos highlight how cultural models influence human thought and behavior. They show how societies use prohibitions to manage risk and maintain social order. Understanding taboos is essential for navigating different cultural contexts. By studying these prohibitions, researchers can gain a clearer picture of how societies regulate behavior and maintain social cohesion. In summary, taboos are complex social constructs shaped by cultural beliefs, supernatural fears, and the need for social control. They vary across cultures and can evolve over time, reflecting the changing values of a society. By recognizing and respecting these cultural differences, we can better understand human behavior and the diverse ways people interact with the world around them.